Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to create a SharePoint site from Teams. So the first option is to create a SharePoint team site from Office. So you're gonna go log into Office and navigate to SharePoint homepage. Click on the create site on the top right corner. You're gonna select team site as the site template. Enter site title and select whether the group will be public or private. Choose the site classification and click next. And then you're gonna follow the prompts to complete the site creation wizard. Option 2 is to create a SharePoint team site from Microsoft Teams. You're gonna open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the channel where you wanna create SharePoint site. Click on the plus icon and then create SharePoint site from the drop down menu. Fill in the required information including the site title, description, and privacy settings. Choose the site classification and default language. Click finish to complete the site creation process. So that is it.